Guocera is a 15 years old of company producing ceramic and porcelain tiles. Is a member of Hong Leong Group. We are mainly working on all the manufacturing on tiles. We cover the projects that is like the residential home, commercial spaces, hotel, and also to the public infrastructure. Our customer categorized into 3 categories. One is actually project customer, one is the retail customer, and one is actually our international customer. The ceramic and porcelain tile industry is a very high competitive industry. In the past, one of the key challenges is digitize the processes and digitalization. It is the process which is very inactive and inefficient. Manual processes and paperwork had resulted in our day-to-day work inefficiency, errors, and also slow response to our customer. This had impacted into our order processing.
I think the biggest challenge that we face is we know that the customer data is stored all the place. We track manually. The salesperson have their own copy of Excel listing. So there is no central database to hold this valuable information. When the staff is leaving, it might lead to a missing piece of information. So we have lack of analytic data on the project management.
Zoho CRM actually came in to help Guocera address these challenges by automating routing tasks and also streamlining the processes. My experience in this 3.5 years, I can see a lot of improvement. It started with very basic features that we use in this CRM that's only cater for our domestic and retail team. Now we actually improvise the feature in the CRM, and we actually extend the service to our international sales team to use this feature. So far, all the team members, they are happily using this software, and it's actually helped them to manage their day-to-day routine, so they can actually have better data management. They can have better project tracking. They also can have better sales tracking in terms of providing quotation and also all the our sales price capture inside the CRM. By centralizing our data management and also providing real-time insight, Zoho CRM actually help us significantly enhance order processing and inventory management, leading to our overall efficiency in our day-to-day operation.
Being in the business development team, we actually get a lot of leads from various segments or even maybe like events. So from here, we actually key in manually on CRM, and once it's been filtered, we will pass it out to our salesperson by pushing it to pipeline. And then from there, we work together to ensure that we have a successful project tracking. I would say my most favorite feature will have to be the dashboard. Here in Guocera, we have created a lot of dashboards.
I use the dashboard analytics from Zoho CRM because in one glance, in one page, I can see the whole operation of my company. But of course, it must make sure that all your people, your teammates is really follow the instruction or maybe follow whatever SOP set in the CRM. If they don't use it, you can't see the analytics. So inside there, I can see what is my ASP. I can see how much is my sales tracking. I can see my sales pipeline. And I also can see whatever information that we extract from our SAP system.
We are an authorized Zoho partner since 2017, and we are associated with Guocera since 2020. For Guocera, brand analysis was responsible to implement an integration with Zoho CRM.
We have integrated the CRM with our ERP solution. This helps the sales team to get the live information, for example, product availability, customer credit info. They also can download their customer statement. All this information are pulled from ERP to the CRM using the widget, which helps the teams to access easily without switching different applications. From the developer point of view, I feel that there's the biggest benefit bring to us is a low-code platform provide an easy and fast development cycle in response to the rapid changes from our business environment.
Zoho CRM is a powerful tool to support various aspects of our business. In terms of sales management, project sales tracking and managing the sales pipeline from the sales lead to conversion, this can actually help us to streamline our sales processes, making it easier to monitor progress and also forecast our future sales. In terms of data analytics, the analytic dashboard provides a very good insight on our sales pipeline volume, sales performance, and also support data-driven for the decision making.
Actually, it is quite easy for any new employee to start using Zoho CRM. Initially, training can be 2 hours, followed by 2 weeks of self-learning is enough for them.
Zoho CRM had transformed our customer management and sales processes at Guocera. These automation tools had improved our efficiency, helping us track the leads and manage data effortless.